These days, it's relatively easy to translate text into different languages. There are a variety of apps, websites, tools, and devices that can get the job done. However, if you ever need to translate a menu or sign, transcribe a conversation, dictate text in a different language, or talk with someone who speaks another language, Google provides two apps capable of translating languages. The Google Translate app and website can translate dozens of languages, either through text or voice. Just type, write, or speak into the app. The program even allows you to point your smartphone's camera at a sign or menu written in a foreign language and view a live translation. Google Assistant offers an interpreter mode with real-time translations that lets you carry on a conversation with someone speaking different languages. After you ask Google to help you with a specific language, the assistant automatically translates your words so you can maintain a back-and-forth conversation with the other person. Here's how to use both the Google Translate app and Google Assistant. How to use Google Translate. Text Translate. Let's say you want an Italian translation of an English phrase. Tap the name of the current language on the left side and select English as the source language. Tap the name of the language on the right and select Italian as the target language. Next, tap the field that says Enter Text and start typing the English word or phrase you wish to translate. Image translation. Another cool feature lets you translate text in an image via your phone's camera. Google Translate offers live translations, though some languages require a downloadable language pack. At the home screen in the app, choose the source and target languages and then tap the camera icon. Aim your device's camera at the sign, menu, or document you need translated. Once the app has a moment to recognize the text, the translation is superimposed over the image and is viewable right on the screen. You can then take a photo of the translated image to select the text, listen to it spoken aloud, run a web search, and more. Transcribe speech. You can speak in one language, and the app will transcribe what you say into another language. Tap the microphone icon at the top of the screen and speak your word or phrase into the app. Google Translate translates your words into the target language. Tap the speaker icon to hear the translation. Have real-time conversations. The Google Translate app helps you carry on a back-and-forth conversation with someone who speaks a different language. Choose the two languages and tap the conversation icon. You can then carry on the conversation manually or automatically.